for sale, 1971 International Cargostar car hauler. I'm gonna walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 71 International Cargostar 1950B ramp truck, car hauler, cab over, whatever you want to call it. It's finished in white with factory interior. There's really not too much to say about it. Just gonna kind of walk around it, let you look at it, you know, go inside it, tell you everything I do know about it, and yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. It's got like a white utility paint on it. It looks really good on the truck, actually. It's very, you know, because you use it for work and stuff like that. Very solid. Heavy duty winch. You got the specific control for it. I took a picture of it, but that's a heavy duty big boy in there. You get some patina on the bed, of course. You're putting stuff on and off. The cab tilts forward a little later on in the video. I'm going to show you that happen. It's just cool. Big heavy duty tires on it, dually in the back. There's your little outlet here. You can see the giant rear end there, big boy. I took a picture of that from down below. Tony, get out. Oh, I love these things. Anyway, let's just hop on in it. We'll lock the door because there's a little bit of wind. The factory, you know, typical champagne color you see on a lot of work trucks, which is cool. The mirrors are brand new. We just put them on. Excellent condition. Well, because they're new, of course. You see a tag there with the VIN on it. Tag there with the VIN on it and information. Operator's manual to tilt the cab, to lower the cab, because here is where it fits actually. How you do it, you stick it in there. I'm going to have my guy do it so you can see it and have someone do it, maybe talk you through it, of course. We'll hop on in. Let me zoom out real quick though. A couple rips on the blue seat here. I feel like, you know, that's common. Okay, in here. Well, you see that? You see a beautiful door edge down there. Super, super nice. Zoom back out again. Here's your dash. Steering wheel. Your dash with the same champagne color. Little bits of patina on it for being original. Super cool. There's your factory gauges down there. It's got the master cylinder and the clutch in here because it's a cab over thing. And it's actually really cool where the shifter is. When you lift up the cab, this actually stays down and the cab folds over it. It's actually really, really cool. Let me start to step back out of here. Show you a little bit more. You see up there, nice solid, same champagne color. Super cool. I guess let's just mosey on around the rest of the truck real quick. Again, don't want to waste too much time. The engine's under there. I'll, of course, have that go up. There's your controls for the winch. Let's keep going down this side here. Mirror on this side as well. Doors fit up super nice. Lock it in. There go me like, look, you see a door corner, stuff like that. I didn't show it on the other side, but all super nice. guy, and I'll have him open it up. So just give me 1 second here, and we'll be right back.
Okay, sure. All right, to lift the cab on this beautiful International Harvester, there's a jack located under here. You tighten the valve there, and pull is bent here for a reason, and you just jack lightly, but pull the release. And as soon as you get some clearance, then it's going to switch to a push.
To get to the engine. No, it's a little hydraulic.
Jim, are we able to start it without even just turn the key?
Yeah.
Okay.
There we are. Safety right here.
Pretty cool. Oh, you did?
Hidden shoes?
You line her up right in there.
Yep.
Yep.
And then just let a little bit of pressure in, slowly.
And then see there. Yeah. See, this is what I was talking about. The shifter stays down there. That's super cool.
Yeah.
Look at let me back up a little bit. Don't go anywhere yet. Look at that. It's power steering, right?
Yes.
Is that power brakes?
Yes. Power brakes.
Yeah. And you said this was the big gas engine.
I believe it's a 394.
Okay. And you said that because?
It has a wide intake.
Wide intake, okay.
Yes.
And the 4-barrel intake, 4-barrel carb. Is that a Holly?
Yes, it is.
That's good. Good choice right there.
Yeah.
So there you go.
Nice refurbished unit.
Yeah. I'll show you the other side. Nice solid frame. There we go. There. All that good stuff. I gotta take pictures of this. But anyway, we are, I guess, at that point now where we're gonna fire it up and then drive it. And quickly, I wanted to show one last thing, which I noticed while I was standing over here. In this open toolbox, just a little bit of water got in, and you see some light, biggest like slight rust through the piece of metal there. But anyway, yeah, why not fire it up? Why not? We're ready. And then you're gonna pick me up. You're gonna pick me up. Pick me up. Yeah. I'm not sure.
Going to Fullerton or?
No. Not a normal 4-speed that you drive.
I don't know what that was.